Hi everyone, welcome to the 5th Monday, so a little bonus video today. I'm going to show you really quick how to make a really cute and easy jumping frog. So you'll need a piece of paper, or I like using the 3x5 cards, and I just cut them down to 1.5 by 3. So whatever you want to use, paper, 3 inches by 1.5 makes a really great jumping frog. If you have the lines or a color that you don't want, have that facing up towards you. We're going to start by taking this top corner and folding it down to create sort of an odd shaped sort of pyramid. We're wanting a point up here at the top. Do nice good creases on this one. So we created a triangle. We're going to unfold it and do the exact same thing, other than now we have a crease to help find that other point. So we're going to take the other top corner and fold it down to create the exact same shape, just in the opposite direction. And with it being cardstock, it's going to want to resist getting folded a little bit more, so be patient with it a little bit. So then we're going to unfold it, and then we're going to turn the whole thing over. What we need now is a line going right through the middle of our X. So we're going to take this bottom edge and fold it up, so that way our little points from our previous creases meet, and you now have a folded over rectangle. Then we're going to open it up. And as you continue opening it, if you'll notice, it wants to dimple. I love dimples. We're going to push those 2 dimples in and then collapse that top triangle. That's always such a magic trick, so let me undo it and show you again. So we're going to push in those 2 dimples. It's part of the reason why we folded it on the opposite side, so it would automatically want to do this. And then we're just going to collapse it down. And you now have a froggy nose up there at the top. Next, we need to make the top 2 legs. So we're going to take that top flap of paper and fold it up. We're not going to the nose. We don't want it sticking out sideways. We don't want it going over. We want it to be heading like it's pointing next to the nose. And then we're going to do that on the other side, the exact same thing. It's okay if the angles are a little bit different. What we're after is just having those 2 front legs sticking up towards the nose. Next, we need to streamline our frog. It's a little bit like a flying bat here at the moment. So we're going to take each edge and fold it in toward the center. It doesn't matter if it's exactly even. If you'll notice, I kind of went over a little bit. We're just going to tuck that extra paper underneath that leg and fold it down flat. On the other side, we're going to fold it so it more or less meets there in the middle. Again, don't worry about if this is not a straight fold. No one's going to see it, and your frog's going to work just as well. So now we have a streamlined frog. So again, we're looking at the belly side. There's the back side. So on the belly side, right where there's that big sort of wad or folded layers, I'm going to take my thumbnail and I'm going to press down right there, and then I'm going to fold that whole tail up and over. So this is what it looks like on the other side. Then I'm going to go back to the back side and sort of do it on the side. I'm going to fold it so it's almost underneath the nose. There's a little bit of space there. And voila. We now have a jumping frog. I have a little bit of a pollywog, so I'm going to take my scissors and just trim it. Be careful you don't cut your fold. And I'm going to get rid of my pollywog tail. And then I'll draw a little face. 2 little lines for the nose. 2 big eyes, like, oh my goodness, I get to go jumping next. That one looks like it's got a black eye. Not so good. There we go. Alright, so then, to make your frog jump, you're just going to squish down all those folds, push down on it, and then slide your finger off, and he's gone. Again, we're going to squish down all those layers that we just made, apply pressure, and slide your finger off. And last one. Apply that pressure, slide your finger off the back side, and it's gone. Thanks so much for joining me, and I will see you next week with our regular 1st and 3rd Monday videos. Thanks for joining me. Bye.